Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm super excited because I have all kinds of things to film right now, and a lot of them have to do with the holidays or gift ideas or packages out there and advent calendars and stuff. So it's been a really fun time for me. I have a lot to film. Not sure what's going to show up first in my feed, but anyway, today I have something that's pretty with a little red bow on top. Don't you love that? So I'm gonna tell you all about it, and we're gonna get to it. So let's get going. All right, friends. First, I want to thank my subscribers and for your support, and those that are watching this video. I appreciate your support. If you want to subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. I would love it. And so I'm going to show you first. I've got those of you who followed me know I'm an Estee Lauder fan. I've been wearing her the foundation for years and years. I don't know how many years, but probably over 20 years. And so I'm no expert. I'm no professional when it comes to the beauty field, but I have such a passion for it. And that's one of the reasons why I started this channel. But anyway, so when an Estee Lauder special comes out, I just have to pick it up because I love their skincare also. And you can really get some great deals. So this is the holiday Blockbuster. I picked this up, and inside here is this red bag with all these fun things in it. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna show you what we have. I have a little secret to tell. I am wearing the makeup that is in here. I'm wearing Estee Lauder foundation, but that's not in here. But I'm wearing as much Estee Lauder as I got in here. So anyway, that's kind of exciting. Now, this was this cost actually $90, but you guys, the value in here says it's over $625 value because their skincare items are so expensive, and we actually got big bottles of it. So that's really exciting to me because it does last a long time. So you had to make any purchase. It didn't matter. And because I'm so fond of the supporting breast cancer awareness, that I picked up this little Estee Lauder. This is some of the proceeds go to breast cancer research, and it's such a pretty box here. But inside we've got something pink. You guys know also that I love pink, and it's little. Some people, the comments on some of these were, it was so tiny, but that's kind of what I like about it. I like that it's tiny. I don't know what you could put in here, honestly, but if you only like to carry your lipstick with you, that might be good right there. But anyway, I just think the bag's just really cute. It has a little snap inside. And so what's inside here, I'm not wearing this, but it has just lip products. It's a pink set, and it's adorable, but you get the these three items. You get the lip pencil, which the lip pencils from Estee Lauder are very good. I've used them. I like them. And I thought it was going to be more pink. This, I don't know. It's kind of pink, but it's got a little bit of warm or like apricot color to me, I can see. But anyway, then the lipstick, look how beautiful that lipstick case is. I just think it's so adorable. And so here's the lipstick. So it all matches. So there's those two together. And then, oh, I think I had it on wrong. That shows the whole flower right there. And then we've got like a lip balm or kind of a balmy gloss. And this is kind of a light sheer pink color. Love it. I think these three are adorable. It was worth the purchase just because it did go towards breast cancer awareness, something dear to my heart. And so that enabled me to purchase make this big purchase here of this right here, this beautiful red box with a bow. I love it. Okay, so has the cutest little zip ties. Anyway, I'm really excited about this. So let's get to it, I'm opening up the first zipper here, right here, and opened it up, and these were actually wrapped neater, but since I got in there and used some of the makeup, I just kind of threw the tissues back in. But I'm going to show you what came in it. The first thing I'm going to show you, I'm pulling out, is an eyeshadow palette, and this is a 6-pan, and I'm actually using all 6 colors on my eyes right now. Let's see if I can open this up. So that's what it looks like. There's the colors. And like I said, I have all 6 colors on my eyes. This is really good eyeshadow too. It's very, I don't know, it's lasting and it feels good going on. You can just tell a high quality eyeshadow when you use it. I love that. I love all the colors and they all coordinate well. Like I said, I'm using all 6 right now. And so it's great for travel because it's also small and compact. So love that. The next thing I have in here is, I got 3, does this only have 3 in it? Make sure I got it right. This has a lip stain, a lip gloss. Look at these. There's the lip color, and then just the shimmery. I love this lip gloss. In fact, I might put some on right now because I happen to have the lipstick, which I'll show you right now. Well, anyway, this is the mascara. Let me show you that first. I do have this mascara on. I love it. I usually do 2 mascaras, but I didn't really need to with this one because it has both lengthening and, so this has both volumizing and lengthening in it. So it's really great. And here's the lipsticks. I got 2 colors. One's kind of a reddish, more a red, but they're so pretty. This looks a little more red in the camera to me than it does in person. It's kind of a little bit darker in real, I think. I don't know if the light's making it look lighter, brighter red, but I like the red color. It's not super red. It's the kind of red I like to wear. And then this one right here is more matches the eyeshadow palette. This I have on right now. Love their lipsticks. They're beautiful. They just have these nice little click-on, beautiful cases. And so I'm going to try this lip gloss here. It's kind of got a shimmery feel to it. Let's see what, oh, okay. It has, it doesn't really have a doe foot. It has a brush, which I don't love, but it's not a bad brush though. I didn't want to brush off my lipstick. Okay, so there's that. So anyway, this is all the makeup products, the 2 lipsticks, the mascara, the lip color, and the lip gloss, and then the eyeshadow palette. So those are the makeup we got in the top section of this. Now I'm going to close up the top. And we're going to see what's in the bottom. It's beautiful, you guys. I'm going to let you do this with me. So we just open this up right here and voila. Okay. There is the money right there. So I love this. I'm so excited about it. So this is actually called, I think it's the Estee Lauder Blockbuster. They do one every fall, and they usually do this red color with some kind of a cute case. I'm particularly fond of this case right here. I love it. And so let me tell you, it includes 9 full-size favorites. Okay, 2 travel size favorites, and 9, let's see. Let me see where, I'm going to tell you what's inside here. Let's see if I have a list of what they are. I don't know. I can't see that. So I'm just going to have to show you. So this is the Advanced Night Cleansing Gel with 15 amino acids right here. Just really good cleanser, quality cleanser. So I love to use their these products at night. I use my other, like my LMS and my Glow Recipe, and some of those I use during the day. This is great for night, your night routine. So that's the first thing. We got the cleanser. We've got this is their big thing. But this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And this is just the serum. I love it. So, and it's not the biggest one they have, but I believe this one is worth over $100. So alone, I usually get the little tiny, more sample ones when I get some of the specials, but I'm excited to have the full size. So that's cool. The next thing I have here, and I think this might be the first thing we should use. Let me see what this is. Oh, this is a hand cream. So no, it's not. This is a smaller size hand cream. Love hand cream at night. So kind of goes with your night routine. I like to put hand cream on every night before I go to bed. It has an eye gel cream, and this is wonderful. I love this. And this is just like a kind of, I don't know if I can, you can see that. It's just like a gel, kind of a jelly. It's very full. So anyway, love. Okay. And the last thing we have here is their moisturizer, their nighttime moisturizer, which is another, I love all these products so much. So this is the Revitalizing Supreme right there. So it's just a really good night cream right there. Moisturizer. So I'm really excited to have this. I was running out. I still have a couple of samples, but I was kind of running out. So it does talk about, it says Gifts of Pure Magic. It tells about the 5 items right there. So you can see what's in there and the sizes. And then this talks about their foundation, which is just the Holy Grail. So there you go. I try other foundations, but I always go to Estee Lauder. It's just my thing. It's just my jam. So anyway, so that's the exciting thing of the day. So there's a better look again at what we got, what I talked about. So here you go. And then I purchased this fun little bag. So this was a fun purchase. Let me see this. So there we go. So I like that. So anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like Estee Lauder? Have you tried it? I know it can be a little pricey, but most of their products last a long time. So I just get used to, I try to buy it when they have specials and have it on sale. So that's kind of, and so I don't always buy it from the website. I just buy where I can get the best deal sometimes. I happen to, you could pick this up on the website, but I happen to pick this up at Ulta because they had a really good free gift with purchase, with a higher end purchase. So I had to take advantage of that, and that will be another video. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. And I guess I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.